Okay, we're here at 116 Garrett Road, Baskin Ridge. We got one truck here loaded with asphalt. We're getting ready to do a resurface pave. We cut out by the Belgian block so we can transition it flush when we're done with the final pavement. We're going to clean the surface, apply a tackle bondage glue, fill the bad areas in, and then put a 2-inch layer over the top. And here's this truck with that asphalt in there, ready to go. It's one of our employees. Here's our paving machine that lays the blacktop out. We also cut out by the garage. We fill this in and then put the top layer down to make it flush. Here's our roller machines. This roller machine smooths the finish and it makes everything nice and smooth, and this is the heavier machine that gives you the good compaction. So together they work together, and it makes the job come out immaculate. Okay, we'll show you the finished product.